Dive into the rich tapestry of the history of Greece, an epic saga that spans millennia. At its zenith, Greek civilization stretched from Egypt to Afghanistan, imprinting its influence worldwide. Even today, Greek minorities and immigrants carry forward this ancient legacy. But let's rewind to the beginning. In the land we now call Greece, the earliest ancestors of humans made their home. Fast forward to around 7,000 years ago, and we witness the Neolithic Revolution bringing the advent of agriculture. Enter the Cycladic culture and the Minoan civilization, significant players of the late Neolithic and early Bronze Age. The Minoans, a mercantile people, engaged in extensive trade. However, natural disasters threw a curveball, paving the way for the Mycenaean Greeks to expand into Crete. The Mycenaean civilization, dominated by a warrior aristocracy, emerged around 1600 BC and adopted the Minoan script. However, this civilization too met its end around 1100 BC, leading to a decline in population and literacy. This was just a glimpse into the fascinating history of Greece. Stay curious and keep exploring.